Good morning. I am up and I'm getting ready to make some breakfast. As you can tell, because I am not even ready. I have my bonnet on and my bare face. So, yes, I'm gonna make some oatmeal for the family. And I already have my water boiling. So what I'm going to do is add my cinnamon to my water and also add my oatmeal. And then this step is very easy. I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'm using old-fashioned oat milk. This is how the container look.
Down, she had a long cord.